Right here today I have 5 different varieties of seed potatoes. These are the seed potatoes that I'm going to be planting in these grow bags this year. I'm interested in what type of potatoes you grow in your area, and do you know what each potato is best for? Some potatoes are best for mashed potatoes, some are better for french fries, some are better for home fries, potato salad, whatever it would be. So today, stay with me and we're going to take a look at each different variety of seed potato and what they look like inside, what the texture is, and you know, I plant these in Pennsylvania, but you may be in a different part of the country where you plant a different type. Let me know what you plant. But stay with me and we'll look at these and see exactly what these varieties are good for. We have Yukon Gold, Red Chieftain, Eva, Dark Red Norland, and Kennebec. The first variety we're going to be looking at today is the Yukon Gold. They have a very smooth skin, kind of maybe a yellow colored skin. These are seed potatoes. I wash them gently because I will be using these to plant. But I wanted to talk a little bit about what they're best for. And I wanted to slice this Yukon Gold because these are just a beautiful yellow color. I hope you can see that. They have a rich buttery taste. Even before you put butter on them. They make great mashed potatoes and oftentimes a fairly good all-purpose potato. These are a very loved potato in our area, even though they're not my wife's favorite. A lot of times it's all on how we were raised, and my wife and I weren't raised on Yukon Golds, but I like them, and I think you might like them too. So I hope that helps you out with that variety. The next potato variety we're going to look at are Red Chieftain. And I'm going to tell you right now, these have become one of my favorites. I'm going to slice into it and just show you. I mean, it's red on the outside. I know that may be because there's dirt on there yet. You might not be able to see the red color, but they are a very white flesh potato. And these are probably one of the most overlooked potatoes in our area, although they are becoming more popular. They hold their form, so they make great, for us, they make great french fries. They make great home fries in the morning, fried potatoes in the cast iron frying pan. And I like them. They're kind of an all-purpose potato for me. And they're very, very good. One of the things I wanted to say about them is they're known as a waxy potato, but they're very, very good. Just wanted to compare the two together. See the Yukon Gold and the Red Chieftain. The one is yellow, the one is white. Definitely a big difference in the potatoes that you grow. Know the potatoes you're growing and what you like them for, so you can grow something that you like to put on the table. There's nothing more rewarding than growing your own potatoes. Just a second before we go on, if you like this content and it's helpful to you, please hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment as to what you do in your area. And we will have 2 more follow-up videos planting these in grow bags, and also another video looking at the mistakes that we can make when growing these potatoes in grow bags, container grow bags like these. The next variety I want to show you is the Eva potato. This might be the one that's less familiar to you. It's kind of a new potato. It was designed, someone told me, to take the place of Kennebec, but I highly doubt that. But they hold their form very well, so they're good for boiling, home fries. They have a pretty much all-round use also, but they are going to be the ones that will mature the earliest. So if you want early potatoes, plant some Eva. They're also going to be the ones that will keep the longest. Actually, the potatoes I'm holding were left over from last year, and they're just beginning to sprout, although my brother-in-law does have a cold cellar that he keeps them in. I hope that's helpful to you also. Most of these are all certified seed potatoes. that I picked up at my local ag center. When you're purchasing seed potatoes for your area, usually your local ag center or whatever you have or where you get your potatoes will know what type of potatoes that you can grow in your area. But again, the Evas are white flesh, smooth skin, just a really, really nice potato to grow. I'm sure you can hear that farmer spreading manure on the fields. I'm glad you can't smell it. Here we have dark red Norland. These are a very popular potato. White flesh. These are another early season potato, so if you want them before the summer heat, these are a good one to plant. We like to plant these a little strong as far as how many potatoes we put in the bag, so we get a lot of smaller ones, because we love to take the small ones and slice them in half and fry them with a slice of ham or something like that. They're just great. So they're kind of a good all-around potato, slightly sweet, and you know, if you know better things about them, let me know, but these are a really, really good performing potato. Well, definitely last but not least, we have the reliable Kennebec potato for here in Pennsylvania. My dad and I have grown these for years and years, and Dad has been going for quite a lot of years. But let me get to where I'm slicing this to show you. These would make a great, great baked potato, fluffy baked potato. Hope you can see the flesh. They're great for French fries. They're a starchy potato, so when I make French fries, I soak them in water for quite a while to get rid of some of the starch. But they make good home fries. For us, they're a good all-around potato. I can use them for anything. They don't hold their form quite as good as like a dark red Norland or, dark red Norland, or even a red Chieftain. They tend to make the best potato salad, the red skinned potatoes. And the best home fries, I think, the red skinned potatoes. But these are good all-purpose. My goal here was to help you, and I hope that we can take these potatoes when I grow them to the table and show you what we cook with them. Okay, there you have it. 5 different varieties. So do you know what potatoes you're putting on your plate, or what you're putting in your grow bag to grow to put on your plate? These are the varieties that we will be growing here at Mountains in Heaven. We will be using 10 and 15 gallon grow bags. I'm not going to get into the how-tos of that right now. I will in a following video. Another video I'll be doing is mistakes that we can make when we grow in grow bags that can reduce the size of our crop or whatever. Again, I hope this was helpful. Again, thanks so much for watching. God's blessings to you. This truly is a blessing to be able to grow things. It really is. And there's nothing more rewarding than putting potatoes from your own garden on the table. The taste is going to be much fresher than anything you buy in the store. It's not going to have sprays on it to keep it from sprouting and them type of things that they use in the store. So it'll be very rewarding for you. So God's blessings. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.